Good day, everyone. I am Shannon Maylayagin, and we will be presenting the Group 1's Capstone research. To start, allow me to introduce the researchers, starting with Ms. Nika Bryant de la Peña, Ms. Jessica De Botton, Mr. John Raymond Jolin, yours truly, Shannon Maylayagin, and Mr. Sean Clyde Salazar. Following the researcher's introduction, I will be presenting our capstone project title, which is Web-Based Inventory Management System for Pedro Cruz Elementary School, San Juan, Manila. Inventory management systems are mostly developed and implemented in different organizations to count the number of raw materials used and the actual expenditures. Inventory management systems are scarcely utilized in schools since the priority is focused on offering quality instruction. The research is about a web-based inventory management system for Pedro Cruz Elementary School. Specifically, the system captures data as regards records of equipments and items, tracks the history of the equipment and items issued, and performs automated inventory management that will generate reports. Furthermore, this is to collect, processes, and store inventory data through admin and users. Ultimately, this system eliminates the paperwork, human errors, and manual delay and speeds up the processes. So for our statement of the problem, the Pedro Cruz Elementary School in San Juan City, Manila has been an impeccable elementary school in the city. According to Mr. Demi Atienza, the officer in charge of Pedro Cruz Elementary School, most of their tasks were done manually, especially in the inventory process. In line with this, the study aims to resolve the following. First is manual inventory that takes more time and effort for the people involved. Next, faculty were unproductive and showed ineffectiveness in their work due to overwork, including paperwork and reports. And lastly, the report produced is inaccurate and ineffective due to the manual inventory of school items and equipment.
The objective of the study. The general objective of the study is to design and develop a user-friendly web-based inventory management system for Pedro Cruz Elementary School, San Juan, Manila. Specifically, the system is to provide an efficient way to speed up the inventory process of Pedro Cruz Elementary School, to improve productivity and effectiveness in operational efficiency, and lastly, to produce a more accurate inventory report. For the scope and limitation, the system is divided into different categories or departments as follows. We have the supply department, canteen department, classroom department, principal department, multipurpose hall, and feeding department. The system admin has control of the entire system. So the system admin can add, delete, edit items, and generate reports in each and every department. The system admin or the officer in charge has the capability to create a user admin per department to acquire access. And the user admin will gain access to add, delete, and edit items and generate an inventory report in the system in which department the user is associated with. On the other hand, the system can only give access to those who are officially registered by the system admin. The system is used for stock monitoring purposes. The system is limited to Pedro Cruz Elementary School, and it is limited to computers only.
The conceptual framework. The figure shows the input process output of the system. The input contains the important variables needed for the research, while the process explains the procedures and the workflow in executing this research by the use of rapid application development or the RAD method. The output should be the developed web-based inventory management system for Pedro Cruz Elementary School, San Juan. Next. Technical background. The system requires working computer with the minimum requirements of a microprocessor Intel Core i3 and above 2.8 gigahertz, while in memory, at least 4 gig of RAM, and at least 256 gigabytes of SSD. And for the software used in creating the system, the Visual Studio Code for the program, some server for the database connection, and Figma for designing the user interface of the system.
Development method. The web-based inventory management system for Pedro Cruz Elementary School, San Juan, Manila, will follow and use the pieces of the rapid application development methodology. The rapid application development method is a lifecycle strategy that provides faster and better quality output compared to the results provided by the traditional cycles. Moreover, it is utilized by the researchers due to its rapid prototype releases and iterative method, which allows the researchers to continue certain procedures concurrently when they notice changes to be done and will serve as aid in developing the proposed system.
I allow you myself to introduce our prototype. First, module page. First module page is the login page that may be logged in by the admin and the user. The second one is the home page that may see the summary of all inventory that may see like graphical science summary, department, and also the running low items. Now, by clicking the user, you may see the user list, editable and deletable of this page. But based in the categories that this inventory have, we have inventories, department, units, supply type, and procurement that may also be editable and deletable. When the admin can add items and the user and admin can pull out items that may seen in the right side, the update and pull out items of this product. And lastly, the summary tables of this inventory that may be searched by the departments and also items, categories, and lastly may be printable, convert to PDF and Excel file.
Let me present our current system that we are developing. So first module that we finished is the login system where the users, the admins can type in their authentication information. So after they log in, they will proceed to the dashboard. So this is the current module that we are developing. And as of now, we only have the navigation bar that have all the pages of our wireframes. So currently it has no functions. And we only have the dashboard for now. Now that's all for our currently developed system. Again, this is group 1 with our capstone entitled Web-Based Inventory Management System for Pedro Cruz Elementary School, San Juan, Manila. Thank you.